Another good one for vestibular activation is simply rolling. You are going to lay on the ground on your back, squeeze your legs and your feet together, and keep those knees nice and straight. And then you're gonna put your arms up like that and squeeze. So you're gonna look like a pencil. What color pencil are you, Charlie?
Aqua green.
Okay, aqua green. Here we go. And you're gonna lead with your hips and start rolling. Beautiful. Legs straight. Okay, and now come on back. Very nice. And then rest a second. Oh, you're gonna keep going? Okay, keep going.
No, I was just...
Okay. And take a breather. And then let's change colors. What color are you now?
light blue.
All right, light blue. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on back. Nice. Perfect. Let's do one more. What color?
Light pink.
All right, light pink. And squeeze those legs together. Squeeze those arms together and go. All right, come on back. And end. Beautiful.